Hi again, this is Doug Williams with Viva Las Vegas Autos bringing you another incredible vehicle. This is a 1979 GMC K1500. It's a Sierra Grande package, and very nice restoration and alterations on it as well. We'll be going through there as we walk around, but from a first view you can see that it's a lifted vehicle. We actually measured the frame to the top of the axles. The front's at 13.5 to the bottom of the frame from the axle top, and the rear it's 14.5. So that's somewhere between a 5 and a 6 inch lift on the thing, what it may have been. But very nicely done, very nice and level. But this truck has also been completely repainted. That is a brand new white on that truck. That's about 2 years old. This started out as a father and son project, and that's who we bought it from, was the father. The son had passed away, sadly, tragically, and after that had happened, we bought the truck and finished out the completion of the restoration. The truck was originally metallic green to begin with, and the exterior had already been painted, but we did a lot of nice upgrades on the exterior. We put on the wagon wheels there with the big BF Goodrich radial all-terrain TAKOs. We also redid the grille and the headlight surrounds. The front bumper's brand new. We also did a full restoration on the undercarriage. We put on the wheel lips, had the mirrors polished out and stuff like that, the trim around the windows, and we also put in a solid rear window on it. Those were the exterior items that we finished the truck with. We also did around the back of the cab there. It did not have on the band that goes around the back of the cab, so we bought that brand new and put that on, so that's new. The package was a Sierra Grande package, so we kept that as it is. And we also put the chrome trim around the front and rear windows. And aside from that, the body was beautifully straight on this truck. No rust anywhere on the body itself. On the underside of the truck, on the front frame, cab to frame connectors, on both sides of the fronts of those connectors, they're kind of an angular connector. There was a little bit of rust in those, so we replaced those and welded in new ones. So that was the only rust repair there was on the truck. There was no body rust or bed rust or cab rust or anything like that. That grille on there is brand new also. The light surrounds and the front bumper are all brand new. When you see underneath the hood, it looks absolutely beautiful underneath there. You walk down the sides of this body, and you see how straight the metal is. Hasn't had any damage or metal work or anything like that on the body. Very nicely done. The bottoms of the cabs, when you look at that, you'll see how nice those are as well. Cab corners, absolutely beautiful, and there's no filler in there. Trim rings on the, or trim around the fenders, and of course the wagon wheels there with new centers. And you'll see the beauty of this truck is exceptional. It's got the right lift. The bumper was painted to match the truck. And there is a utility box there in the rear. And the bed is in great condition everywhere you look. See the full rear window there. Rooftop is great. We actually replaced the lenses here and went with LED lights behind there. So they're very bright and everything works great. The overall condition is just exceptional. Of course, it has the dual tanks on it. Inside the truck, door panels, doors, there's no rust underneath the doors or anything like that. Again, you can see the cab corners, just absolutely beautiful. We polished out the chrome trim, entry trim there. He had already replaced the carpet inside When we got the vehicle, it was green inside the truck, so we gutted the entire vehicle inside and repainted the inside of the cab, top to bottom and underneath the carpet and everything. So that's all been redone. We also replaced the instrument gauge panel. That's all brand new. The dash is brand new on this. Carpet's new. Door panels were refurbished in good condition. The pads there are new. The seat, beautiful, nice. We have a look under the engine. In here, we've done a lot of mechanical work on the vehicle. That's a 1979 350 4 bolt main 350. I'm not sure of the horsepower on it. Tried to do some research. It's definitely probably in the 300 horse range, I'm going to guess. There's a 4 bolt main for sure. You'll see that in the pictures. It's got the Edelbrock carburetor on it. We polished out the valve covers. Those are billet aluminum valve covers. Again, the engine bay area is just absolutely beautiful, and everything works. We believe that's original cruise control right there. All the seals and everything like that are all new. We, on the engines, we had redone the heads, had new head gaskets done on this. We also did all the valve cover gaskets and all associated gaskets, including the oil pan gasket on this as well. That's all brand new. Plugs and wires, all new. And you see a really nice fit and finish of everything. Just, you know, up close and personal on this truck. It just looks really good. Everywhere you look. That grill being brand new is gorgeous. Headlights rounds are new. Front bumper's new, as I said earlier. Wipers are new. Front glass is like brand new. If you look there, there's no chips in the glass or anything. Tires are new. See the knobby's still on them. Let's go for a spin. Oh, we also did a brand new radio on this with the retro sound. And that has all the MP4 hookups and things like that. This also has power locks on it. You can see that. They do work. Dual tanks there. Power steering, power brakes, of course. Automatic 4-wheel drive. When we prepare our vehicles, we like them to be 100% complete, as much as possible. Anything that we can find that's wrong, we like it to be taken care of. We don't know the history of the vehicle, then we do what we can to look into it. Like that's why we did the head gaskets and stuff like that. Make sure we had perfect compression. does now. We go through, and you'll see in our pictures, when we put the car in the lift, we check for any leaks or anything like that, and that's why we redid all the seals on it. We didn't want any leaks. We just want our clients to be very satisfied with our vehicles, and although they may make other alterations, we don't want them to instantly have problems when they get a vehicle by any means. It's just no fun, especially when you're buying a classic and that vehicle may be a vehicle that you've been hoping to own and drive for years. So let's see if we can move. So here we go. Go for a spin down the road. Great shifting. All your gauges work and everything. Blinkers all work. Oh, all the lights on the day instrument cluster were also all changed to LED. Do our videos, the whole idea is to give potential buyer and bidder kind of a feel for how our vehicles perform, and that they do perform, which this one obviously does. And but we know that you always might have questions, and if that's the case, we love to communicate with our buyers. So feel free to email us. This is going to be our Bring a Trailer vehicle, of course, and we hope to have great questions and great comments and be involved with all that. So don't shy away. Hope to see you soon. And congratulations to the winning bidder. I mean, enjoying a nice truck.